we're here today, we're going to do a test kit to test the soil to find out exactly what this soil is going to need to plant in the springtime. We're going to do 4 different samples over here in this small food plot to get it ready and set for the spring. So the first thing we're going to do is we do have a soil test kit that we're going to have available. It's through AgSource. It works absolutely excellent. And I'm going to show you how we do the samples, how we put the samples, how you mail them in. For a small fee of $18, you can get an accurate reading on your soil so you know exactly what fertilizer and what lime you're going to need to do it in. So first thing I do have is I have basically it's a test pounder. What I do is I take this and I go in. I don't need a hammer to do this. I just use this regular little tool, and what I can do is I'm going to take 4 samples in this plot. And so the easiest way for me to do it is just to kind of basically blend them around. Okay, first thing I'll show you is I'm going to take my core tester and find a spot in the ground here. Get it down to the dirt. Take your core tester, push it in all the way up. Pull it out. Now there's a core full of dirt in there. I take a bucket. Usually it's a little bit harder to get out if it's wetter. And I tap it, and then all the dirt will come out. Sometimes if it's a little, since there's some roots in it, might be just a little bit tight. You can take a stick and then you can just push it back in and it'll come back out into there. See the core? Take that out, put that in the bucket. Now, for the standpoint is not everybody's going to have a core tester. What you can do is just take a regular pipe. A little 12-inch piece of pipe. There's regular conduit pipe. Take the hammer, pound it in approximately 6 inches. Pull it out. Got your core. Find your bucket. Tap until it loosens up in there enough that it can all come out. There we go. Nice and clean. If it's less than a half an acre, I do 4. If it's an acre, I do 6. Rule of thumb. Now, in this kit in this packlet, there's a sheet, there's a box, a shipping box, and there is a little bag. So what you do is you write down on the bag your name, your address. You can, and for your reference, you can put your field, whichever one, if it's like plot A, plot B, plot C, whatever you have on your map or on your property, or where it's going to be, if it's going to be the bean plot or if it's going to be the sweet frost plot, or whichever way you want to do it, put that on there, and then you just put your sample number. As much of an identification as you can, because rule of thumb, they will email you a PDF of the whole thing and it'll tell you exactly what it also needs. Take the dirt, put it all, get it all in the bag. A little wet, but it's coming. There we go. Take the bag after you write everything on it that you want on it. Take and you seal it like that. Put this like this. Now you have your soil. Now inside is a sheet. You fill this sheet out to your best of your ability. The sample costs $18. And it also has this little box right here. Also on this sheet, it'll tell you what you're planting. If you're going to want to plant, any one of our blends, the Big Racks, the Checkmate, the Feathered Friends, Luck-O-Buck, whichever one it is, beans, or if you want to put soybeans, corn, you can just check them off and it'll give you a very accurate analysis of it. You fill this out to the best of your ability. Best you can. You fold it up. You take this here box, this little box that they give you. You fold this up. You put that in this box. Just like this. Take your little pouch of dirt. Put that in the box. You fold this up. You stick this in a box, you seal it, no postage, no postage, it's all postage paid. Just mail it in with your credit card or your check, and they will either PDF you or hard copy you a copy back.